Okay, so our next Mother's Day craft is this cute little bookmark. It can really be customized for moms, grandmas, Gigi's, Mimas, or whoever you would like to send it to. I made this one with my biddy earlier, but she's napping right now, so we're just gonna use my fingerprints to make our next one. You'll start with this bookmark template, which you can either pick up at the church or click on the link and download it there. And then you'll paint your thumb yellow. If you have ink stamps, that will work too. But I've just got paint and a brush, so I'm painting my thumb. And you'll stamp the thumb in the middle of the paper to be the center of the flower. Next, you'll pick your color for your petals. It might be really sweet to pick your mom, grandma, Gigi's, Mima's, whoever's favorite color. For this one, we're gonna do purple, just on the finger. Then you'll take your finger and stamp it around the yellow. You might have to touch up the paint here and there, but stamp it around the yellow to make your petals. Once the petals are on your bookmark, go ahead and clean your fingers off. I suggest having a baby wipe ready, or any kind of wipe, but just something to get that paint off the little one's fingers. Then you can take your green paint and add a stem to your flower. And you can let your little one do as much of this project as possible, including painting the stem, a little bit of grass on the bottom, just like that. After we paint and get our thumbprint, our fingerprint, our flower all on there, you can use glue, tape. I happen to have Mod Podge, so that is what I'm gonna use. Spread a little Mod Podge on our backing here. Again, you can really match this backing to your mom, grandma, whoever's favorite color. Once you get a good amount of glue or Mod Podge on there, go ahead and stick your bookmark onto the paper. Give it a little press. Now you of course don't want to press on the flower because it is wet. Just press on those corners there. A little shakey shake to dry. And our last step is going to be to hole punch the top of it. Just like that. And put your ribbon through. This really gives it that good bookmark feel, I think. Ribbon through, we've got your hole here, pull, and there is your bookmark. If you would like, you can always put Gigi, Grandma, Mima, Mama, whoever under this Happy Mother's Day to really make it custom and special. I hope you guys have fun.